Good morning, friends. Welcome to the live stream for today. So today it's important to note the key levels. 24,846.5 is the Nifty resistance, and 24,900 can be traded, or even 24,800. That's expensive. Coming off this resistance, the downside targets will be 24,745, 24,685, 24,604. 24,745 is the key support for the day. For Bank Nifty is actually trading above resistance, so this is at the first target. So we can expect a negative turn from here for 56.11, 53.55. So this level Bank Nifty should take. So I have taken 24,900 put and 50,600 put. 24,800 is a very good support. I will scale in and out. So in Nifty chart, if you can see, there's a beautiful bearish hangman created, and now we are getting a confirmation candle for that. Here also it's same. There's a hangman, and then there's a bearish candle being formed. So at the end of this time frame of 15 minutes, we will know for sure. But Nifty is already headed to our target. So the 245 and 272 are the targets for Nifty puts, and if you are on the 24,800 put, then the targets are 181 and 196. Bank Nifty is looking positive because it's trading. So our resistance level is 24,611. Sorry, 50,611. So it opened itself much above that level. That's that level, and then it has gone up again. So, but this is a long supply. I keep telling about this thing over here, right? This is a long supply. So only after this supply is taken out, we can, and there is another supply zone here. So only about 51,600 we should think about Bank Nifty long. Till then, whenever the opportunity comes, we should be shorting it. And the other one stock that I have in mind for the October series is IEX. Disclaimer, I have position. So look for a hourly negative candle and look for a 180 put or something like that, or in the money, depending on your risk appetite. So I have taken some puts and I'm holding them. Not a trade recommendation, just to study the charts. So in the daily chart, you can see that it made a big bearish engulfing, and it went sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and yesterday it had a breakdown again. And normally when the consolidation happens like this, so it's a bear flag and it is broken down. So the target is around, once yesterday's low is broken, you'll get target of around 165. So that's it. But the target will be activated only below yesterday's low, which is at 197.2. This is the bonus. So meanwhile, Nifty and Bank Nifty are proceeding nicely and achieving our targets one by one. Nifty has the risk of staying in this channel unless it gets broken on one side. So we have had 1, 2, looking for a third touch here and probably break down from there, hopefully for us, or it can just touch here and then go up. That's also a possible. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and break down, or 5 and then break out. But it looks, everything points us to downside, so we will hold it. The Nifty has done its targets one for the 24,800 put and for 24,900 put. Both have done the first targets. I said 245, right? So 245. High made is 241, so just about made it, not yet. So this means that it can possibly go to 273 as the next target. Bank Nifty target will be, if it breaks down, then we can expect this put to give us 50% or 75% if it breaks, if Bank Nifty breaks. So we have got this touch here, so please cover maximum here. Great profit to start the day, and then let's wait if it breaks down this channel. It could just zoom back from here, so be careful, because Bank Nifty is giving other signs. So I'm exiting the Bank Nifty put for now. Let's see later, and book full profit in Nifty now. You'll see once it breaks down, because this is a very bullish setup in Bank Nifty, but then there is supply, so we are not trading long in Bank Nifty. Right now the signal is not bearish, so we'll wait. Remember, Bank Nifty is trading way above its supposed resistance level, and it is trading above first target, and the second target is 59.63. Nifty support is at 24.75. Nifty reversed from its resistance of 24.846, and we have made close to, on the 24,900 put, entered at 209 and sold at 240, around 31 points. On the 24,800 put, bought at 164 and sold near, I sold 189. I traded the 24,900, and Bank Nifty I have waited up. So we have a supply bar in Nifty as well. There is a beautiful supply bar here, and here also market can encounter resistance. Also remember, we had big red candles yesterday, so we can mark the 50% and see where the resistance can come from. So Bank Nifty, so it's almost at our magic level, 59.63. This is at 59.95 level. And if you go to Nifty and do the same thing, this is at 24,892 level, but I think Nifty won't go there. Let's see. So 24,892, if it makes a resistance, we have our another level of 24,906 just there, so kind of pretty close. Bank Nifty is really close, and Bank Nifty has hit our resistance level. Next target level, final target level actually. So Bank Nifty is putting in an impressive performance today. Nifty is making a bullish candle, but since there is a supply area here, I am not inclined. Once this crosses this high and spends some time there and then gives a breakout, I will trade it. Otherwise, the area is very much resistance filled. So Bank Nifty at crucial resistance 59.95 to 56.963 is our expectation. Nifty is 24.885 something. Our level is 24.906. That's so from 59.63 Bank Nifty got a shock. So Nifty now trying to trade above its resistance of 24.846. Let's see if it's able to close. So we have done the Bonnie trade and then we'll see if we can get one more awesome trade which like 100 points. That's our aim. Bank Nifty 58.99. We're at 59.92 is the Fibonacci level, 50%. So let's see. And here on Nifty, I'm just taking yesterday's candle because yesterday's candle was extraordinary. So 50% is 24.919 and 0.382 actually is 24.86, which is where Nifty is right. The Nifty is crossing the first 3.382 and is now headed to 24.919. Good chance if 24.907 is our resistance next target. So now I have to create new targets for Bank Nifty 5 because it's crossed all the targets that I had. So next is 51.152 and 51.36 if it doesn't reverse any. Let's see if it crosses 51.152 and 51.36. Let's be expect a turn from here. Whichever time frame, smaller time frame you catch, be good. As I said, we will go long only after the big shadows are crossed and then a consolidation happens there. Not in favor of doing a long before that. So wherever we get a short opportunity, look at Nifty here. So turning out to be a very good short candidate as of now. Wait for 2 minutes. The current high is not crossed and there comes a reversal from here and then we'll go all the way down to the days. Trigger already got too much. I don't know why the trigger came so late. It's a good trade. Okay, so let's see. Turning. Go. Bank Nifty has returned nicely. So this is what I meant. And I expect a similar candle in Nifty. If Nifty is not giving up, then we should not take it in Nifty. We need to come down. Nifty near 24, 8 types. Bank Nifty is reversing around its 50% retracement level. Nifty is retracing around its 38% retracement level. Maybe there is one more push pending in Nifty. We never know. So Nifty made a nice spinning top. I don't think it's a harami. Quite clearly not a harami. Spinning tops will need confirmation. Otherwise, they're known to provide a lot of false signals. Yeah, that's what I. So Nifty is making a nice shooting star, and Bank Nifty is going to break this low. So let it break this low and trade for 1 minute. Low of 28.55. Then we can enter. We'll use the same puts. No need to change anything. Okay, so 5600 put in Bank Nifty. Once it breaks 5800 and trades below, then I expect it to come down to 56.11. Nifty is not yet a short. Need to wait. Nifty is not yet a short because of this candle, right? So it will try to keep going back to 24.880. Once this thing is resolved, that will be resolved probably. Let's see the 50% of this candle below 24.841, but we can short right here below this 24.852, 24.846. Yes. Wow, what a jump in Bank Nifty P. 314. We have 24.900 and 5600 P's. The target is very simple. We are going to look at 24.745 target first and here 56.11 target first. And if we get a fast fall, then we can hold on for bigger targets. The Bank Nifty is at the morning support area. Here goes. Bank Nifty should go to 360. Should. We have a breakdown. So this guy has 6 target. You can support it. Let's see. 28.46 was resistance before. Will it act as a support now? We'll know in this candle. Similarly, 57.55 has been the opening level. Is it going to support there or not? We'll find out in this candle. So I'm hoping for a big freaking red candle here, which can break this low and give us our 100 points. If comments, super sir, love the live comments. Thanks, Sharvin. Thanks, Builder. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Watch this stock, guys. EI Hotel. It's not falling at all. So if we look at daily chart, so I've been tracking this stock for quite a number of days, but I'm not making any positions because of the market environment. But these are the stocks that you should keep a watch, add it to your watch list and keep. When the market improves, these will be the ones which will run. So for example, before, I think it was first quarter last year or second quarter, I don't remember exactly, when the market was correcting, Nasdaq, Cochin Shipyard, all were holding very strong. So, and then as we all know, in the next rally that came, those stocks outperform. So I'm not advocating buy right now. We'll wait that the market gets sorted first and then a very high hopes on 24,900 PE getting a century. Well, close to century, 90. If it doesn't spoil the plans like last time, let me see if it's going to spoil. Oh yeah. 24. Touch and go. So 24,800 PE, 24,900 CE, 24,500 PE, 24,800 CE. So 24,800 CE. Oh, I need to pick up for us to crash. So today I will be investing in fund, lump sum investment. This is the Motilal Oswal Nifty 200 Momentum 30 fund, right? So it's very risky. What does high risk mean? It means that investors understand that the principal will be at very high risk, and investors understand that, okay, so the benchmark itself is very risky, so naturally scheme derived out of that will be very risky. So now what is the index that it tracks? It tracks the Nifty 200, and from that they use a momentum strategy to derive the Nifty 200. Momentum 30 is a index itself, and this fund just tracks the index. So I want to get today's NIV ideally, so I will be pumping in a huge amount here. This is not my full amount, but 1/3 of my amount. So this is for long term. As you can see, it's only been 1 year that is enlisted, so I'm given a return of CAGR of 68.3. Good morning, Amit. Thanks, Builder, for the events. I don't see anything which is during market time, right? It's all for, tomorrow is RBI MPC decision. Okay, that's why there is no movement in Bank Nifty. Cool, I understand. Compared to Nifty, but we are making a beautiful move in Nifty. Hope breaks this low, and then it should give so the dream target is 283 on 24,900 P. Okay, that will give 100 plus points. That's a dream target. Not saying it will come. Okay, I'm telling out the mutual funds, so I'm just sharing that one now. So this is the fund. So this fund is called. So there are various organizations or asset management companies which provide this fund. So there's no specific reason for choosing Motilal because it is a tracking the index, so it doesn't matter. Only need to check for the charges. Portfolio is Trent, Tata Motors, NTPC, Bajaj Auto, Bharti Airtel, Coal India, Adani Ports, Bharat Electronics. All these companies I love, especially Trent. I don't know if you saw my tweet 2 days back, and it's rocking. So this set of stocks, this is the index itself. So it's not due for, I think it was rebalanced already, so there's no problem here. And there is this is the risk. So this fund manager is there, one of the star managers who's managing most of the index funds. Okay, you can get the fact sheet presentation all here. Just go to any AMC that if you're interested. So this is different. It's a strategy. So such things were unheard of before in the NSE. So NSE is creating a lot of strategic indexes like value, quality, stuff like that. So in my research, this particular index came out as a really standout winner. So I'm expecting the trend to continue and for long term. So that's it. Okay, now let's go back to chart. Yeah, it's Motilal. Just go to motilaloswalmf.com and search for momentum, and you'll get all the momentum funds. Right? I'm in no way involved with Motilal Oswal. I'm not promoting them. So you can go to NSE India. Look at NSE indices. If you go to strategy indices section, you can see that there are many strategies. So growth is a strategy, quality is a strategy, dividend is a strategy, alpha is a strategy, equal weight is a strategy, and volatility is a strategy. And we are talking about Nifty 200 momentum, which is not even coming here. Nifty 200 momentum index. This is the index, right? And there are several funds which are tracking this index. See, these are the list of funds which are tracking this index, right? Aditya Birla, HDFC, ICICI, and Motilal Oswal. I have experience with all of them, and all of them are good companies. And for some reason, I chose Motilal Oswal. I don't know why. And we have more companies. Sorry, Bandhan, UTI, Kotak Mahindra. So a lot of guys are now on this, which means that there is a lot of liquidity indeed. But this would be a better place to do your research and then choose the one which has the least expense ratio. That's it, and least tracking error. This is the website, niftyindices.com. This is the NSE website. So the fund house doesn't make a difference at all. It is an ETF, so it's tracking an index fund. It's tracking an index. So whatever the index return will be the return of the mutual fund, whichever company you take. The only difference will be two things. One is tracking error. Second one is expense ratio. So choose the one with least tracking error, least expense ratio, and you're done. So this is not a fund that depends on which AMC it is. I think I chose Motilal because it was around 893 crores AUM, and the other one is HDFC. I think is the biggest. So no problem. So it doesn't matter whichever AMC you take. That's why I said I have no relation to Motilal as well. Okay, so Bank Nifty is falling now and Nifty is going up. Just be patient and wait for that big candle. 2846 is such a 24846 is such a magnet coming back. I hope the magnet pulls at 24745, 2485. Bank Nifty trading below 5800 should logically cut 755, which is our support level now, and go to 5611. I think 5611 trip should be done whether or not RBI meeting is tomorrow. Nifty has other plans to shed some of it. The broad range seems to be 24900 to 24800 today. So now this is going to hit 24906 and then come back. So looks like an option seller's day. So I will exit at my cost down, just waiting. I'm exiting here, guys. We'll see later when we get if we get a signal, because if it's going to be this range, then it's going to waste our time and money. So we've made a good profit on the first trade and not lost on the second trade. So wait, so no trades now. Okay friends, time to end the stream. Anything? No trade on. Good, nice. So I was hoping to get 100 points in Nifty. I got 0 points, so that's it. First trade gave me good money, and that's it. I'm winding up for now. So I trade between 9:30 to 10:30, and then I log in again at 11:30, and then in the afternoon at 1:30. So I split my logins like that, and in between I keep some triggers, and if any of the triggers show up, then I join as well.